Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the coin cell battery, loosen the screw on the side cover. Lift the side cover off the system. Identify the speaker and disconnect the cable. Lift the speaker out of the system. Identify the coin cell battery and remove the latch to lift it out of the system. To reinstall the coin cell battery, place it back in the system and relatch it. Place the speaker back in the system and reconnect the cable. Place the side cover back on the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.